Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Facebook Marketplace not working. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, confirm that Facebook Marketplace is available in your country and for your account. Next, make sure you are at least 18 years old on your Facebook profile, because Marketplace can be restricted by age. Check if your Facebook account has any restrictions by opening menu and looking for any warning or policy notice. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary glitches that can stop Marketplace from loading. Check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or by rebooting your router. Update the Facebook app from the App Store or Google Play, because an outdated version often breaks Marketplace. If you are using a browser, update the browser to the latest version to avoid compatibility problems. Log out of Facebook and log back in to refresh your session and reload Marketplace features. Open Facebook settings and ensure location services are enabled, because Marketplace uses location to show listings. Turn off any VPN or proxy, because it can trigger security blocks and make Marketplace unavailable. Clear the Facebook app cache on Android from Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the Facebook app or reinstall it, because iOS does not provide a direct cache clear option. If you use a browser, clear cookies and site data for Facebook.com to remove corrupted login information. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers for Facebook, because some extensions break Marketplace scripts. Try opening Marketplace from a different device to confirm whether the issue is device-specific or account-specific. Try using Facebook Marketplace on a different network, such as a hotspot, to rule out network filtering. Check Facebook server status by searching Facebook down to see if there is an outage in your region. Set your phone date and time to automatic, because incorrect time can cause login and loading errors. Make sure you have not turned on any parental controls or content filters that block Marketplace pages. Go to Facebook menu, tap Marketplace, then refresh the page by pulling down to reload listings. Change your Marketplace location and radius settings to ensure you are not searching in an empty area. Confirm you are not searching with restricted keywords that can hide results and look like Marketplace is broken. If you cannot access Marketplace at all, visit the Facebook Help Center and search for Marketplace eligibility. Report the problem inside Facebook by going to Menu, Help and Support, Report a Problem, then submit details. Uninstall and reinstall the Facebook app to fix damaged app files and restore missing Marketplace tabs. After reinstalling, allow all required permissions like location and photos when prompted. If the Marketplace icon is still missing, check Menu Customization and add Marketplace back to your shortcuts. Wait 24 to 48 hours if your account was recently new or recently flagged, because features can be temporarily limited. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.